Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will check how to find the transpose of a matrix. Suppose we have one 2 by 3 matrix, just like 4, 8, 9, 1, 5, 3. So how to find out the transpose of a matrix? We need to change the rows to columns, right? So this 4, 8, 9 that will come here, rows only 4, 8, 9, 1, 5, 3. That is here columns. But here it will come 1, 5, 3 like rows. Right? So how we can achieve that? So first we can declare two values, int rows equal to 0 and columns equal to 0. We need to input the data using scanf. Okay. So first we can tell how many rows is needed. Enter number of rows. Then new line. Then we can scanf. Percentage D, we can tell rows. Next we can tell number of columns. Then enter the columns. Then we need to tell printf enter the matrix elements. Enter matrix elements. So here we need to use loop, right? For int I equal to 0. Then we can tell I less than for this rows, right? I less than rows, then I plus plus. Then again we are opening int j equal to 0. We can check j less than columns, j plus plus. Then we are scan the data, scanf percentage D, we can tell. Here we need to declare one array. So here we can tell int matrix. Need to declare one 2D array. So this rows means here we can tell rows. And here we can tell columns. Right? Then we need to scan this and matrix of I comma j, right? I of j, not comma I of j. So now we are scanning all data, right? Then we need to just print this matrix. Okay. First we need to tell printf matrix Then we can use the same for loop, right? We can copy this. Here we can tell, instead of scanf, we can tell printf %d. We can remove this ampersand also. Here we can put one tab also, /2. And after this first for loop, we need to printf the new line also, right? /n, right? So now our matrix will print. Then we need to interchange the columns to rows, right? So here we have 3 columns, but here we will get 3 rows. Here we have 2 rows, and here we have 2 columns. So in the output we need 3 rows, right? So instead of, so here also we can use one printf. We can tell transpose of matrix. Then we need to use here also one nested loop for in I equal to 0. So in the outer loop we need 3 times, right? So here we need to interchange that. Here we need to tell I less than columns and I plus plus. Again we need to use one loop for int j equal to 0, j less than. Here we need to use the rows, right? Rows and j plus plus. Then we need to print off the data. Printf %d matrix. So here we need to print which data? So this is the rows, right? So we need to print first in rows. So here we need to print first j, and after that I, right? Then here new line, printf /n. Okay. So here we are interchanging the columns, right? So 3 times it will work, and here this loop will work 2 times. So we need 2 time only columns, right? Okay. We can just run this. Okay, column undeclared. Here we can need to use comma. We can run matrix undeclared. Matrix. Okay, here. MS capital only. Okay, small letter only. Okay, we'll run this. Okay, now it is asking number of rows. So number of rows is The first one, that is two rows, right? So you can tell two columns three, enter matrix elements. We can give 4, 8, 9, 1, 5, 3. Now we'll get matrix 4, 8, 9, 1, 5, 3. Okay. So the transpose is 4, 1. Okay, we are missing slash t. Okay, 4, 1, 8, 5, 9, 3. Okay. So we need to put here 1 slash t also, right? Run again. So enter number of rows. We can give another matrix 3 and number of columns also 3. Matrix element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will change it to here. This rows is 1, 4, 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So this way we can find out the transpose of matrix. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.